cannot understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat. So, you may try to destroy me, you can skin me alive, and throw my ashes to the wind, but let it be known, you will find me unbowed. I will continue to serve the Filipino people no matter the personal cost or political intrigue. Having said that, I will not allow myself to be subjected to an inquiry based on an empty privilege speech just so you can attack me and do indirectly what you failed to do directly during the budget hearings. I therefore request this committee to terminate this inquiry